This is Jim Bowie with National Concrete Polishing. We are back at our fitness facility in Deerfield. We're applying a 8,000 square foot metallic floor. It'll have two base coats, one being black, the other being a light gray. Then we will follow up with a decorative coat of satin white, metallic satin white, and a radiant pink along with charcoal 124. The floor has been prepped, all the cracks have been filled. We are now beginning to stage the actual installation, and we begin with mixing all the pigmented colors into our rock hard epoxy. Then, after everything is mixed, they begin applying decorative coats. Now they're squeegeeing it together with a roller to kind of mix it and move the colors throughout. We also added a random broadcast of glitter throughout to highlight the colors, and it reflects off the lighting at the facility. And the final step was a T2000 clear coat to minimize scratching and damage to the floor.